Wonderful and welcome coincidence with a big day, and the world calendar comes with great personal achievement or blessing, because you'll always associate that day with the blessing it brought to you. Tonight, KTN News reporter Cecilia Kesho reports on one group that will always be celebrating a birthday in their family on New Year's Day from now henceforth.
If only they could speak, these newborns would express how it felt to be born on the eve of the new year. When people dedicate this time for Thanksgiving for yet another year. Despite the pain that comes with giving birth, these 17 mothers at Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Referral Hospital in Kisumu could not hide their joy.
I was lucky to get a baby girl on 31st by 12:30.
Nilimtarajia huko nyuma, but Mungu alinitendekea maajabu, nikampata jana kitu saa 5:58.
Kisumu Sub-County Hospital welcoming 7 children as soon as 12 midnight clocked in. All were normal deliveries.
For now, we have the lowest child who has a weight of 3.1 kgs and the highest with 3.9.
The script was the same in Nairobi's Pumwani Maternity Hospital, where 3 children were born. A total of 18 mothers had been booked in yesterday.
Nilikuja hapa saa 4 ya usiku na kufika saa 6:15 nikabarikiwa na mtoto wa kike.
Kama sasa ni blessing imeanza, najua blessings zitakuja mingi, mambo mazuri itakuwa.
Cecilia Kesho, KTN News.